Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. Where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell, and what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see it in your inbox with the picture and the title, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. This video is time sensitive, so if you did press that bell, it would give you that heads up that this is something you need to watch right away. This is IPSY. It is March 30th. This is the month, if you watched my video yesterday, that I gave you guys some of the changes that were going to be happening with a couple of the bags and boxes that I normally get through my subscriptions. If you haven't seen that, you should watch it. But for today, this is what normally happens on the 2nd of every month. So we're just going to go through today what what IPSY chose for me to give me in my bags, and then what the choices that they selected for me that I have to choose for add-ons. Not everyone add-ons are the same. I think it's based on your beauty profile, but we'll go through all of that. So we're just going to try to do a quick video so that you guys can see it all, and then hopefully you'll join me again when it's time to do the unboxing. All right. On this channel, I do get all three bags: the Glam bag, which is the $12 bag, which is samples, and sometimes they'll throw in a full size; the Plus, which is 5 full-size products, that's $25; and then the Ultimate, which is the $50 bag, and that's 8 full sizes with 4 deluxe sizes. This month, what they've started changing is, again, the add-ons. Now you will be able to choose 8 add-ons per bag, which means I can get 8 in my Glam bag, 8 in my Plus, and 8 in my Ultimate. All right, so now that you guys are caught up with that, let's get started with what we got going on. So the first one is the Glam bag that we're going to go through, and what they did here, and I'm just going to go through this with you because a couple of the dates have changed. They're planning on shipping it out a little bit earlier. A majority of us got billed for this on the 29th. Today is the 30th, where they're letting us see the bag. They're saying they're going to put everything together over the next couple days, and they're planning on starting to ship on April the 3rd. The reviews and all that stay the same. Those dates are around the 20th of the month. And then on the 23rd is another important date that you guys are going to need to write down, because that's the date that you're going to choose your product, your customized product for the following month. All right, so let's see first what's in the Glam bag, and then we're going to go at the end to the extra products that we can add on for add-ons. Okay, the first thing in first of all, the bags are adorable this month, I think. They're saying with a breezy floral print and pastel hues, this month's bag was made to bring spring to life. And it looks like they're using the same fabric in each 3 of the bags from what I've seen. And then the differences are just going to be the sizes and design of the bag. All right, the first item that they chose for me is from Tony Moly. It's a Moisture Boost Gel to Water Morning Cleanser. Then a product from Murad, which is a Nutrient Charged Water Gel. And these are 2 really great brands that they're putting in the $12 bag. The next one is another brand that I've been introduced to. It's called Seraphine Botanicals. It's a berry and juice 100% vegan lip gel in rose currant. And they put a brush in there for me from Arceli Beauty, and it looks like it is, it says Chiquita blending brush. And then the item that I chose, which was the Oriza Beauty Nude Shimmer and Contour Eyeshadow Palette. So that's the first bag. Now we're going to go back up here, and I'm going to show you what they chose for me in the Plus. Okay, the Plus here, you can see the bag is a completely different design. And then the first item, I was hoping they were going to give it to me in the Campfire, because I was hesitant if I should choose that for myself, and I was keeping my fingers crossed that I was going to get a dose of color product in my bag. But the color they chose for me is a brick color, and it's a brick red. The next item is Sunday Riley. This is the item that I chose. You can see by the little decal in the product there. It is a mattifying melting water gel toner. Then they have another item here that they chose for me from a brand that's going to be introduced to me. It's called Bloom Effects. It's a Dutch dirt mask. Then after that, this is another item, Cheyenne B Miami. We received, and I haven't had the opportunity to try them yet, some eyeshadow brushes. So I might choose to try this product with those brushes. That's from this brand. That's how they introduced us to this brand. And this eyeshadow palette is called Mini Miami. It looks really nice. I was also on the fence with this, so I'm happy that they put this in my bag. The next item is from Tarte. This is a product that I've used in the past and I did enjoy. It is called the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner in black. One side has the pencil liner and the other side has the liquid liner. All right, and now let's go to the Ultimate. And I guess the name is called Full Bloom, which for April I think is really great. And again, they gave us a fantastic train case for the Ultimate bag. And the first item in my Ultimate bag is from Ciate London, is the Triple Shot XXL Mascara in Black XXL. The next item is called Yensa, and Yensa is really I'm seeing them now in a lot of different places, so I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try this line. I did get a lip oil from them last month, and I am enjoying it. This one is a superfood dual cleansing oil, but it's the CBD. I haven't tried that many products with CBD, and I know there's some great benefits about it, but I really haven't tried anything with CBD. The next item is the Cottage Greenhouse. It is an orange and honey face mask. Then Real Her, this is an Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. I love these type of trios, so I'm happy this is going to be in my bag when it's like a bronzer, a highlight, and a blush. For travel, it's amazing. The next item was one also that I was like on the fence about choosing as my pick, but when Sunday Riley's there, it's kind of hard not to choose that type of product. But this is from Tristique, and this was, I think, also around $50. It's a mini lip glaze set, and I thought all the colors were really perfect. They had a pink, a coral, a nude, and a rose, so I'm happy that that's in my bag. Then this surprised me. This is from Kenzie. It's called Life Beat. It's going to be a perfume. Kenzie, I'm pretty sure, is a brand of clothing, like a fashion brand. I think when I was in Canada, I purchased from a store a skirt with this brand name. For some reason, it's sticking out of my brain. But like I said, I've never received perfume in IPSY before, so this will be something new. The next item is from Duft & Doft. It's a Hydra Soother Balancing Radiance Cream. The next item is from Il Makiage. It's a long wear eye pencil in Cosmo. It looks like it's a deeper wine color, which I think might go well with the brick that I got in the other bag. All right, the next item was my pick, which was from IPSY Beauty. It's an enlightening eyeshadow. I tried IPSY for the first time a couple of months ago, and I was impressed with this brand. And I know it's not an expensive eyeshadow palette, but it had those spring tones, and I just had to do it. The next item is Gold Faden MD. This is a Hands to Heart Anti-Aging Brightening Hand Treatment. Then they have from this brand called NIU Body. It is a Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish, which sounds yummy. And then the last item is from Levito. It's a 2-in-1 purifying facial mask and exfoliator. And I'm excited about that as well. All right, so because all of the add-ons are the same in all of the bags, I'm just going to go back to the first bag because I usually like to put my add-ons in, if I'm going to choose any, in the smallest bag to start with. And then if I want more, I just go chronological. I go to the next size bag and then up from there. So if you want to get your extra products, that's what you click on for your add-ons. They say it's today only. You can add additional products to your bag before it ships. It comes in your bag and they do not charge you shipping on the bags or on your add-ons. And it says now you can add up to 8 extra products and they'll ship them free with your bag. So the first items that they gave as an option for me are these $18 full-size products. They have a 111 Skin Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. They have Dose of Colors Liquid Lipstick Duo, and it looks like it's more those nude shades. And then they have Verso Skincare Dark Spot Fix. Then for the $12 section, is from Fox Bay. It is a Flaming Glow leave-in conditioner. They have from Jules Smith Beauty a Power 5 eyeshadow palette. Then they have also from Shiana B Miami a mini Miami blush and highlighter palette. R&Co Dark Waves Fragrance Gel. Then another product here from Yensa. It's a Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. Then they have a Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in Let's Cuddle. And then an Every Day for Everybody, Oh My Bod, SPF 50 Dry Touch Sunscreen. And then from Sela Seed to Skin Natural Grain Polish. And then from Sela, the Very Best Cream in a Rose. And then they're giving the option that if you want the ultimate bag, that you can get it here under the $12 section. The ultimate. Then the $3 deluxe sample sizes. They have the Youth to the People Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. They have a Buxom Cosmetics Lash Volumizing Mascara in the Blackest Black. They have the Christophe Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. I did get this last month. I haven't had the opportunity to try it. I have another product here from Ahava, which is a brand that I enjoy. It's a 24 karat gold mineral mud mask. Then they have a pencil from Arceli Beauty. It is a gel pencil eyeliner in Black Negro. And then they have Arceli Beauty Grand Blending Brush, which I think that's the one I'm going to have to double check that I'm getting in my bag. Then from Shanna B Miami, they have a blush brush. And Luxie, they have a 209 large shader Summer Days Tan brush. Then we have from Aromatica, they have a juicy cream. Then they have a Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. From Hey Honey, they have a Tone Up Propolis and Enchisia Herbal Toner. Then they have from Neogen Dermatology a Real Vitamin C Serum. Then they have a couple of loose powder settings from YC Collection in number 213 and number 215. Then they have Kaleido Cosmetics Skin Blush in Prima Donna. I do own one of these, and it's a really good blush. Kismet, they have a vitamin C primer. Then they have a couple of lipsticks here, one from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. I do own and enjoy, but this is in the color Incognito. And then they have a Lovecraft Beauty lipstick in Fosta. I don't think I've tried Lovecraft Beauty's lipsticks, but I have tried their blushes and their bronzers, and they're good. Then they have a Nomad Cosmetics, and if you hadn't had the opportunity to try a Nomad eyeshadow, this is where you try it for $3. This one is in Tuscany Intense Eyeshadow in Aperitivo. And then they have Space Cosmetics Seen from Space Highlighter, and they have another Space Cosmetics bronzer in Fakecation. And then they have a product here that says Pura Heals Propolis Softening Toner. From the Balm Cosmetics, they have Bonnie Dew Manizer, a liquid highlighter. Then from Than, they have an Oatmeal Facial Scrub. From Verb, they have a Ghost Hair Mask. From Eco Lips, they have a lip scrub in Brown Sugar. From Gumi Diamond Clear Hair Ties, they have a set of 4. Then from Lottie London, they have a blush in Zane. Then from Koki Cosmetics, they have some concealers. They're giving me an option now in light bright and medium beige. When I was doing my initial picks, they only gave me the option of medium beige. Then here they have from H2O and Oasis Hydrating Treatment, Real Her and AM Strong Brow Pencil. And then they have from Sugar a Wingman Waterproof Eyeliner, I'll Be Black. And I do own this, and I don't remember trying it yet. We get so many black eyeliners, but one of my subscribers wrote to me that she did try it, she did like it, and she did recommend that I open it up and I try it. So it's something that's sitting in my area where it's products that I have to try. So that is everything that is in the add-ons for me. So I'm going to share this all with you guys, and then I'm going to go back, sit down, and try to figure out if I'm going to do any add-ons. And hopefully when the products and the boxes and the bags come in, you will join me back again on my channel to see if I did do any add-ons to my bag or box. If there's more information that you want to know for any of the products, just so you know, all you have to do is press on the picture, and it takes you to another page here where it tells you the value of the product. And there's something wrong here because there's no way they would have an $18 product for $18. I'm sure this price for 111 Skin is usually $180 for this booster, but then it will tell you more about the product there. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys right now. I want to get this up so that you guys will be able to see it same day. So I want to try to get this wrapped up quickly. So once again, if you're enjoying any of my content, I would really, truly appreciate you leaving me a thumbs up. It means a lot supposedly on the YouTube algorithm, and it will help other people, because I'm a newer channel, get to see my video as an option for them to watch. So that helps me a lot. So if you can give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying my content, I would appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, I really hope you will. I'm almost at 600 and I'm very, very excited. I've been doing this for just over 6 months, and I'm hoping to reach that 1,000 before my 1-year anniversary. So if you can share my channel, I would appreciate that as well. In the meantime, I hope my videos are giving you a little bit of an outside view and spending time with me, and I do appreciate that. And for everybody, just stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.